Hello my friends and my dear students. Welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In my previous videos on Google Earth Engine, we came to know the basics of Google Earth Engine and how to make account and set up a cloud project on this platform for free. If you have not seen those videos yet, please watch them. I will leave the links in the description below. As we know that Google Earth Engine provides huge amount of geospatial datasets for free. It hosts one of the largest geospatial data libraries in the world. It includes satellite imageries, climate data, topography data, land cover data, and many other types of data. These datasets are ready to use for analysis, saving your time and efforts of downloading and pre-processing. The Google Earth Engine team updates the data daily and new datasets are added every month. You can explore all these datasets in Datasets tab in Google Earth Engine website. In Google search bar, type Google Earth Engine. And press the search bar button. Now click on the first website link. You will be redirected to Google Earth Engine web page. Here on the upper side, Datasets tab is given. Click on this Datasets tab. Now you are on the Earth Engine Data Catalog web page. This Earth Engine Data Catalog is a comprehensive repository that includes datasets from various domains such as satellite imagery, derived datasets from imageries, climate datasets, elevation models, land cover classification datasets, forest datasets, land surface temperature datasets, sea surface temperature datasets, pollution datasets, air quality datasets, precipitation and atmosphere datasets, nighttime datasets, population datasets, and so on. To explore all these datasets, some tabs are provided in the upper side of this Earth Engine Data Catalog web page, such as Home, View All Datasets, Browse by Tags, Landsat, Modis, Sentinel, Publisher, Community, etc. This is the home page. On this page, a superficial overview of the datasets is provided. Scroll down this web page to explore these datasets. Here you can see that climate and weather datasets are provided, such as surface temperature, climate, atmospheric, and weather datasets. Satellite imageries are also provided, such as Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS, and other high-resolution imageries. In the same way, geophysical datasets are also provided, such as terrain, land cover, cropland, and other types of geophysical datasets. Second tab is View All Datasets tab. Now click on this View All Datasets tab. It provides all the datasets available in Earth Engine Data Catalog. 689 types of datasets are available on this page. You should scroll down to learn more. A very interesting and important thing is given here. You can filter this huge amount of datasets using filter list of datasets. Here you can filter all these 689 types of datasets using a keyword. Suppose we write here elevation. Then you can see that all the datasets related to elevation will be filtered out from all these 689 types of datasets. In the same way, if you write temperature, then you can see that all the data sets related to temperature will be filtered out from all the 689 data sets. This is a very interesting function of this View All Datasets tab. Third tab is Browse by Tags. It is also a very useful feature of this Earth Engine catalog. Click on this Browse by Tags tab. Title of this web page is Browse by Dataset Tags. On this web page, tags are given and the datasets can be searched using these tags. Actually, tag is a simple keyword which shows a particular property of a data. Because a dataset can have many properties, so each dataset in this Earth Engine data catalog has been assigned by many tags, and many datasets can have a common tag. Here on this web page, you can see that many tags are given. Let us take an example to understand this tag clearly. Suppose click on Landsat Datasets. Open Landsat 9 datasets. Click on Surface Reflectance Tier 2 datasets. USGS Landsat 9 Level 2 Collection 2 Tier 2 dataset is open now. Here you can see that 12 tags are given here and all these 12 tags are assigned to this dataset. You can search this dataset by using any of these tags in Browse by Tags option. Suppose we take SR tag. SR means surface reflectance. Click on Browse by Tags. Search here SR. You can see that SR tag is given here and 31 data sets are linked to this tag SR. Click on this SR. You can see that the SR tag is assigned to all of these datasets. Tag makes it very easy to find data without knowing the exact name of the datasets. Imagine you don't know the exact name of the dataset you need. Instead of searching randomly in 689 types of datasets, you can use tags to quickly find the right data. Suppose you don't know the name of datasets, but you know that the dataset is related to temperature. So you can type temperature as a tag in Filter Dataset Tags search bar. Type here temperature. It will automatically display all the datasets related to temperature. Based on your tag, the relevant dataset categories will open and you can click on any one of these categories to explore and find your datasets. When you type temperature here, you can see that 5 temperature categories are displaying here. You can click any one of this category to find your right data. In the same way, if you want nighttime data, just type night. It will automatically display nighttime datasets out of 689 types of datasets. In this case, two dataset categories will appear based on the tag night. You can click on either category to locate your dataset. Separate tabs of Landsat, MODIS and Sentinel are also provided here. By clicking these tabs, you can explore the satellite imageries related to these satellite programs. Click on Landsat tab. Title of this web page is Landsat Collection. This web page provides you the Landsat satellite imageries which belong to Landsat Collection 2. Scroll down to explore Landsat datasets. You can see here Landsat satellite imageries related to different Landsat programs are given. You can easily find Landsat MSS satellite imageries of Landsat program 1 to 5. Full form of MSS is multi-spectral scanner. You can see that dataset availability is also provided here. These datasets are available from 1972 to 1999. Similarly, images acquired by thematic sensor from Landsat program 4 and 5 are also available here. Full form of TM is thematic mapper. Landsat 4 thematic mapper sensor satellite data is available from 1982 to 1993, and Landsat 5 thematic mapper sensor satellite data is available from 1984 to 2012. In the same way, imageries from Landsat 7 ETM Plus are also given here. Full form of ETM Plus is Enhanced Thematic Mapper Plus. This dataset is available from 1999 to 2021. Landsat 8 OLI oblique TIRS imageries are given here. Full form of OLI is Operational Land Imager, and full form of TIRS is Thermal Infrared Sensor. Actually, these are the sensors on board the Landsat 8 satellite. This dataset is available from 2013 to present. Landsat 9 OLI2 oblique TIRS2 imageries are also given here. This dataset is available from 2021 to present. So, this was the Landsat data collection. Now click on MODIS tab. Under this section, you can find MODIS surface reflectance satellite imageries and various derived products from MODIS satellite imageries, such as vegetation indices, land cover type, leaf area index, snow cover, burned area products, albedo, land surface temperature and emissivity, net evapotranspiration, thermal anomaly, and many more. You should scroll down to explore these derived products. Now click on Sentinel tab. This web page provides Sentinel collection. Here you can find various Sentinel satellite imageries such as Sentinel-1 SAR GRD C-band synthetic aperture radar. This Sentinel-1 mission provides all-weather day and night imagery of Earth's surface using C-band synthetic aperture radar SAR. In the same way, Sentinel-2 MSI multi-spectral instrument images are also given here. This Sentinel-2 multi-spectral instrument provides high-resolution optical imagery for various applications such as land monitoring, agriculture, forestry, disaster management, etc. Images of Sentinel-3 OLCIEFR Ocean and Land Color Instrument are also given here. Satellite imageries of this instrument are used to measure the Earth's ocean, land, ice, and atmosphere. In the same way, satellite imageries of Sentinel-5P tropospheric monitoring instrument are also given here. Satellite imageries of this instrument are used to monitor the atmosphere, basically focusing on air quality. It is mainly used to monitor and measure various trace gases in the Earth's atmosphere, including ozone, nitrogen dioxide, formaldehyde, sulfur dioxide, methane, and carbon monoxide. This section also provides other data sets as well as derived data sets from Sentinel satellite imageries. Now click on Publisher tab. In this section, you can find those datasets which are provided by other publishers for the use of Google Earth Engine community. These datasets are not prepared by Google Earth Engine. You can use these datasets. Now click on Community tab. Here, datasets are provided by the members of Earth Engine community. Now click on API Docs. This tab provides various helps, documentation and tutorials related to Earth Engine. So far, we have learned a little about some data sets available in Google Earth Engine. You should explore more data sets on your own. Now I will tell you about metadata. Each dataset comes with a detailed metadata, and this metadata includes dataset description, spatial resolution, band description, image properties, terms of use, etc. You will be thinking what metadata is. Actually, metadata is itself a data of a geospatial data. It provides detailed information about the geospatial data. It is like a fact sheet of a geospatial dataset. Metadata makes it easy to understand a geospatial data and provides the correct way to use geospatial data. Unless we understand the metadata of a particular geospatial data, we cannot use that geospatial data effectively. Now we will understand the metadata related to a dataset with an example. Suppose click on Landsat. Google Earth Engine is now providing collection 2 data of Landsat. Collection 2 has improved data quality in comparison to collection 1. Now click on Landsat 9 OLI2 TIRS2. You will be looking at the three terms written here, such as surface reflectance, top of atmosphere and raw images. Look at the three images of the same area given here. You can compare the image qualities associated with these terms on your own and decide for yourself which image is the best. Now let us understand all these terms clearly. In raw images, pixel values represent the digital number dn recorded by satellite sensors. These values are directly related to the radiance measured by the sensor, and these images have neither been radiometrically corrected nor atmospherically corrected. Raw images are typically affected by atmospheric conditions. In satellite images with top of atmosphere reflectance, pixel values represent the reflectance measured at the top of the Earth's atmosphere. These images have been radiometrically corrected but not atmospherically corrected. Atmospheric effects such as influence of aerosols, water vapor, absorption and scattering are found. On the other hand, pixel values in satellite imageries having surface reflectance represent the actual reflectance of the Earth's surface. These images have been both radiometrically and atmospherically corrected. Atmospheric correction is performed using atmospheric correction algorithm or models. These images provide the most accurate representation of the surface condition. So in this way, we come to a conclusion that surface reflectance images are best for geospatial analysis work. Here, two terms are also given, Tier 1 and Tier 2. What are these terms? Tier 1 and Tier 2. Landsat data is provided by USGS, United States Geological Survey. USGS have organized the Landsat data into three tiers based on data quality and processing level. These tiers are Tier 1, Tier 2 and RT real time. Tier 1 data has the highest geometric and radiometric accuracy, and it is considered suitable for time series analysis and scientific studies that require precision, while Tier 2 data does not meet the strict accuracy requirements of Tier 1. It may have lower geometric or radiometric accuracy. This Tier 2 data may have larger geometric errors as compared to Tier 1 data. RT or real-time data includes those data that has not yet been evaluated. If you are using Landsat data, it is best to use Tier 1 dataset for the scientific or quantitative applications. You can see dataset availability is also given here. This data is available from October 2021 to present. Now click on Surface Reflectance Tier 1. Title of this web page is USGS Landsat 9 Level 2 Collection 2 Tier 1. Here Level 2 is mentioned. What is this? Let us understand these terms, Level 1 and Level 2. Level 1 data contains digital numbers which represent raw calibrated sensor data. Level 1 data can be converted to top of atmospheric reflectance or at sensor radiance using the metadata provided along with the product. Level 2 data are the calculated image data based on level 1 product. Actually, level 2 products are derived from level 1 data through additional processing such as atmospheric corrections or surface radiance calculations. Digital number values of level 1 can be converted to top of atmospheric reflectance or at sensor radiance using calibration parameters in the metadata. Some level 2 products are Landsat surface reflectance, Landsat surface temperature, etc. Level 2 data is considered as ready to use data because it is pre-processed to account for atmospheric distortions and is directly usable for many applications like vegetation indices, land cover classification, etc. Landsat Collection 2 Level 2 data is preferred for most analysis since it eliminates the need for users to perform their own corrections. Therefore, I would recommend Level 2 data to use in your studies. Other informations regarding this dataset are also given here, such as dataset availability. You can see that this dataset is available from 31st of October 2021 to 7th January 2025. In the same way, information regarding dataset provider is given here. As you know that Landsat data is provided by USGS, United States Geological Survey. Here revisit interval is given, which is 16 days. This means that Landsat 9 images the entire Earth every 16 days. Here you can find many tags. All these tags are related to this dataset. You can search this dataset using these tags in Browse by Tags section as I mentioned earlier. Earth Engine Snippet. This is a very interesting feature of Google Earth Engine. Click on this icon. You will be redirected to a new web page, which is Code Editor web page. Here a code related to the image collection that you were exploring will appear automatically. To execute this code, click on Run. You will see the desired satellite images in the map window. Google Earth Engine provides these types of sample codes for your help. Now we will switch to our previous window. Under this description section, description of the dataset is given. You should read it carefully. In the band section, spatial resolution is given. For this image, spatial resolution is 30 meters and information regarding band is also provided here. You can see that scaling factors are given, associated wavelength is given and band description is also provided here. In image property section, various properties related to images of this data are also provided. Their name, type and description are given here. Read them carefully. For an example, a property is given here which is cloud cover. You should remember its name and its associated description because this property will be used within the codes to filter a dataset according to cloud cover. In terms of use section, read the terms and conditions carefully. Now scroll down. A code sample is given here. You can just copy this code sample and paste in code editor and click run to execute this code. You can copy this code sample from copy code sample option given here. You can change the theme of this box by clicking here. On the other hand, to open this code sample in code editor, you can click on this tab open in code editor. The related code sample will be automatically open in code editor. In this way, we have learnt about the metadata associated with Landsat 9 satellite images. You can explore other datasets and their associated metadata on your own. Without exploring these datasets and their metadata, you would not fully understand their potential. So explore more and more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. For more tutorials on geospatial tools and techniques, make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching my video. Take care and happy learning.